Hey guys, welcome back to Forever Freaky Funko. My name's Anthony. Thank you for joining me again. And this box t-shirt combo is one that came out, give me a second here. I'm going to put my phone on Do Not Disturb. This box combo came out a while ago. I never got it until I just ordered it this week. So this is the Target exclusive Xenomorph alien. So I'm going to open that up. Pretty cool. I also didn't pick up the translucent, I think is what they're calling it, Predator and t-shirt in a box from Target. That one's on its way too. So these are just some that I missed, or I just didn't buy yet. So before I get into that, which is, just going to unbox that, I do want to show you that the Green Giant has dropped in my area. So I finally was able to pick up the Green Giant. So now I have him and his son Sprout. So that's pretty cool. So we got the Green Giant out in stores. I found this one at GameStop. For whatever reason, my Hot Topic, or the Hot Topics in my area, are not receiving pops on time. So meaning that there's delayed shipments. Now this is the line for Castlevania. I did not put this line in the recent video I did with all the new Funko Pops that were dropping because these have already dropped. So those are the 5 in the set. And so today I picked up Blue Fangs. So I'm going to go ahead and take Blue Fangs out of the box. I don't do this too often, but certain pops I definitely want to, and Blue Fangs is one of them. So I found the whole set at GameStop. So all of them have been released. So here's Blue Fangs out of the box. He sits just like that. I thought he was, out of all of them, he's my favorite one, obviously, because he looks pretty cool. They should do a glow-in-the-dark version of him, obviously, right? Because I think all the blue spots should be glow-in-the-dark. And then imagine if they did the glow-in-the-dark spots on his, well, he doesn't have any spots, but if they put spots on his stomach too, like maybe a blood or something. But anyways, he looks cool. That's a 360. It's going to be hard to see. My camera's not cooperating with me, but very spiky in the back, but definitely not dangerous, just spiky. You don't want to step on it for sure. So yeah, he's really cool. I just like the way he just sits there. I might actually pick up an extra one just to have him up on my desk, because I think that's a pretty cool Funko Pop. So Castlevania has dropped, so make sure you go out and snatch those up ASAP. If you're not following me on Instagram, jump over there on Instagram. You can see the pictures of the entire set that I picked up. So let's get into the unboxing. I know a lot of you will probably already have this pop. Maybe some of you saw it on another video. This has been out for quite some time, so I am way old getting to it. But yeah, it's cool. If you want to remember what it looks like, maybe you didn't pick it up. And you're like, ooh, I haven't seen one of those in a while. Well, you're getting to see one today. I just hope the pop came in great shape. Target did a great job shipping. A lot of bubble wrap in the box, so I'm very pleased. But yeah, definitely can't wait to take this thing out. I love the Xenomorph. So, oof, the box isn't in that great condition, but that's okay. That is okay. I mean, it's not beat to crap or anything. It's just not perfectly crisp like I want it. I would say box condition is a, I'm going to be real judgmental on it. I'm going to say it's probably an 8.5. Yeah, I'll say an 8.5 out of 10, so not too bad. It just has that slight, can you guys see that, how it kind of curves right there? That's what I'm talking about. And how the edge here is rounded instead of like straight, like sharp. But not going to complain too much. Putting this one in a pop protector anyways. But we got the Xenomorph Target exclusive, 40-year anniversary. Looks really cool. Man, that looks awesome, doesn't it? Let's take this bad boy out of the box. Oh yeah. So whenever I take stuff out of the box, I always like to take them out from the bottom of the box. Not the top of the box, because the bottom sits on the shelf. And so I think over time it's harder to notice if it was open before, but on the top you can't really hide anything because it's right there on the top. So it has like a clear protector on it, which is where they put the paint job. So you kind of see that clear protector on top of his head. There you go, that's a good shot. So that clear protector, it's almost like a shower cap, is how they got the blood on from his nose up. So from his lip down, obviously that's just on the pop. But the green dots and the green blood, those are all on the actual clear shower cap. I'm going to call it the shower cap. But there's a Xenomorph. He looks really awesome. That's a side view. That's a big old head. Cool tail. Just a cool Funko Pop overall, man. I really love this one. I'm going to see how he stands up. I'm going to put him on Green Giant here and see if he stands by himself. Okay, so he does not stand by himself. So he's top heavy on the head, which is okay because I don't take him out of the box. So I'm an inbox collector. So if you're gonna buy him, if you haven't bought him already, Target does have these available online. They still have sizes small, medium, large, and I believe extra large available. So you know, I just happened to see it at Target when I was looking for some other stuff, and I said, wow, I'll go ahead and pick it up. Oh, it does have a stand, guys. It does have a stand. Okay. So once you put him in the stand, he'll stand up perfectly fine. But yeah, I wanted to definitely pick this one up, and I said, I'll go ahead and pick up the Predator too. It's only $24.99 for the box, and it was free shipping. And I got it during Memorial Day weekend, so I ended up getting a $10 gift card. So I spent over $50 and I got a $10 gift card. So from Target. So you spend $50, you get 10 of it back. So that's pretty cool. I don't have the Predator box in yet, but once I get it in, I'll definitely show you guys. I'll do an unboxing on that one. But there's the Alien looking sharp. Yeah, that's really cool. That's a really cool t-shirt. Really cool, and it's black, which I love, because I'm wearing like a black shirt today. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, definitely hit the subscription button there. And if you like the video, thumbs ups are always helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be kind to one another and enjoy the rest of your day. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out last night at the Thursday Night Spotlight. I had a real good time with Allison. Thank you, Allison, for joining me. It was pretty awesome. So thanks again. Awesome. Your guys' questions were cool. And I hope you guys had fun. I definitely had fun. Congrats to all the winners. And guys, I will see you on the next video. And like I said, I do have another video coming for sure with the Predator, the translucent Predator. So stay tuned for that. Talk to you guys soon. Again, please be kind to one another. And I'll see you guys very, very soon on the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.